Hello everyone and welcome to this video, guys. Today I will show you how to find specimen check Desjardins app. So guys, to find this first step, download the app on App Store. This Desjardins mobile app. It is a service, a Canadian offers financial service. To find the void, as you can see, specimen, log in your account. This first step. Step two, guys, select your type of account. Your type account selected. After that, guys, what you have to do, choose the manage option, as you can see here on the screen. After choosing manage option, all you have to do is select direct deposit or void check. Click the view option on the screen. After that, guys, all you have to do is just click on the view, void the check info, as you can see here, view info. And from here, this is view all statement. Choose the parent, view parent, as you can see, view void check with your account details. This is how you can do specimen void check. So guys, I hope this video guide helpful. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question, guys, down below in the comment and I will answer your question.